Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to teach you how to enable administrator access to folder without using normal access. It's easy to enable in Windows and you can protect your sensitive data from normal users, and it can act as a lock for your specific path or specific folder. Benefit of this process, I can say, preventing the normal access and without using third-party software, and literally it's easy to enable in Windows. I will teach you how to enable that each step by step. Okay, before starting the practical section, I will explain the commands and meaning of that commands, then how to write the command. But don't worry, I don't take much of time because the theory part will be boring to you. I know that, so I will explain quickly. Okay, let's see the summary. It's easily understandable. If you need more clarification, you can read and understand well. Then we'll go to the first step. Open your command prompt as administrator and navigate to the specific folder name, which means where the folder has located, the path of the folder. Then type Cacls, which means change access control list. Then give single space. Then type the folder name, which folder you want to enable to lock or administrator access. The folder name, then give you single space and type /p, then give you single space, type everyone:n. After this process, you can see your folder has been locked. If you want to enable to the locked folder, you can type this command. Like the above command, Cacls, and give you single space and type folder name that has locked, and give you single space and /p and single space, type everyone:f. After the process, you can see your folder has been accessed. Then we'll go to the second step. If you not get success by first step, you can write the second step. Otherwise, you don't need to write the second step. Then meaning of commands, all of this. Then we are going to see practical section. Let's move into the practical section. I am going to show you how to lock a folder, which means how to enable administrator permission and how to unlock the specific folder. In my case, I am going to take IT World folder. You can see the folder is normal and the folder path is ddisk. Then go to the CMD and go to the specific path of the folder. In my case, the path, and go to the specific path of the folder. Now I want to see all of my folder in the path, so I am typing here dir command. Yeah, I can see the folder of IT World. Now I am going to show you how to enable the lock, which means how to enable administrator access the folder, so that you can type Cacls command. You can see after the enter what are the usage of Cacls command. You can see here much of usage. Although I will talk to you only /p. Earlier I told you I will talk later about /p. The time is now. You can see here means of /p, and you can do other commands by yourself and write. I am going to show you how to enable the lock or administrator access only. Type Cacls and give you single space and type the folder name. In my case, IT World, and give you single space and type /p and type everyone and colon, and you can type without spelling mistakes Cacls and give you single space and type IT World, that means folder name, and give you single space and type /p and give you single space and type everyone and colon, and after the enter, yes or no, you can type yes. You can see here I can't able to access the folder because I don't have permission to access the folder. You can see here. Now I want to access the folder to see the data in my folder, so I'm typing here Cacls and give a single space and type folder name, in my case IT World, and give you a single space and type /p and give you a single space and type everyone and colon f. You can see here difference between these two command, the single letter N and F. After the enter yes or no, you can type yes. You can see here I can able to access the folder to see the data. Okay guys, I hope you understanding well. If you have any doubt, go to the description and download the PDF by the link and read well, or send me email. I will answer your all of questions. Okay guys, let's see another video. Until then, bye.